Hey everyone, welcome to binary tutorial. The first thing we're going to do is take a 8-bit binary number and turn it into a decimal. In binary, you only work with base 2, which means it's a 0 or 1, and any combination of that, and it will be expressed in 8 bits. So we have the 8 columns up there to express that. And with the powers, it's going to be laid out for the first column. 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 1, 2 to the power of 1 is 2, and finally 2 to the power of 7 is 128. And for the value, they're all expressed right here. So as you know, 2 to the power of 7 is 128, 2 to the power of 3 is 8. And we'll be working with this binary number right here. So the first thing we need to know is if it has a 0 or a 1. So where it does have a 1, I'm going to go ahead and put an asterisk by it. Oh, sorry. I'll just put the full number, 128. And this one has a 0, so you just leave it as 0. And for the 6th column has a 1 with the value of 32. And the 5th column has 0, so 0 value. And the 4th column has a 1, and the value for that is going to be 8 from right here. And the 3rd column has 0 in the binary, 2nd column has 0, and 3rd column has 0. So what we're going to do down here is we're going to add up all these numbers, and it's going to be expressed as decimal. So we'll do 128 plus 32 plus 8. So 32 and 8 is 40, so 128 plus 40 is equal to 168. Okay. Now for the next part, sometimes binaries are expressed in 8 digits and sometimes they're expressed in 4. If you ever get one that's 4 digits, let's just put 1 right here. Actually, you know what? Let's just add 1. Okay, so if it's 4 digits, you'll automatically put 0 on the trailing end of it, and they'll always start with a 1, and then the next one will be 2, next one 3, and so on. So we'll just work with this one right here. Alright, so you got 4 zeros, so you can do 4 zeros and 4 ones. Binary is equal to, okay, so let's just go ahead and put a 0 for these. Okay, and some more spaces. Alright, so on this one we have 8 for the value, and then this one's going to be 4 for the value. This one, 2, and 1. So do 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Alright, so 8 plus 4, 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. And then we put here 15 decimal. Alright, next we're going to be going over adding and subtracting binary numbers. So stay tuned, and I should have that one made pretty quickly.